focus your awareness onto your toes.
然后去觉察你的脚趾，
and feel that body's 5 elements are all balanced and it is creating energy which is healing my toes.
然后去想象、感受你的5大元素、5大能量获得平衡，然后创造一股疗愈的能量，疗愈我的脚趾。
I can imagine and visualize a bluish white color healing my toes.
然后我可以去观想、感受到一股白色的一股能量，它在疗愈我的脚趾。
Compared to yesterday, practice this will be small, don't worry.
相对昨天可能练习会很小，不要很担心。
Slowly, the bluish white healing energy is passing from the toes to the ankles.
慢慢的，这股白色的疗愈的能量从你的脚趾移动到你的脚踝，
And I can feel it, I can visualize the bluish white healing energy.
我可以看到，我可以感受到，我可以观想到这一股能量。
Even if I don't visualize, no problem.
即使观想不到也没关系，
I just feel that my ankles and toes are getting relaxed.
我只是看到或者感觉到我的脚趾、我的脚踝很放松。
If you imagine the bluish white light, also nice. Imagine that the light is passing slowly upwards towards the knee.
如果可以的话，继续观想，继续感受，继续看到那股白色的顺滑的疗愈的能量从你脚踝开始向上，到你膝盖，
I can feel it.
我可以感受到它，
You can feel it.
你可以感受到它。
Slowly that healing bluish white light is passing up towards your thighs.
然后慢慢那股能量从膝盖向上到大腿，
All the pains and aches of your toes, ankles, knee and thighs are reducing.
你的身体所有的你的脚趾、脚踝、膝盖、大腿这些不适感都在减少。
Slowly that healing energy is moving towards my hip joint.
慢慢那股疗愈的能量来到我的髋关节，
and covering all the parts of my leg.
然后它包裹了我整个双腿。
Slowly the healing bluish white light is moving upwards towards my stomach.
然后慢慢那股白色的光亮，那股白色的能量向上到我的腹部，到我的胃部。
I can feel all the stomach areas of my abdomen,
我可以感受我的腹部的整个胃部，整个胃部，
all different organs of my stomach
然后以及整个腹部的不同的内脏
are balancing
都被平衡，
and healing.
同时被疗愈。
Slowly this bluish white light moving upwards.
然后慢慢的这股能量再向上，
I can feel the light at the chest area.
我可以感受到这一股光在我的胸腔，
I can feel the light at my heart and the lungs.
看到这股光在我的心脏，在我的肺，
All my emotional problems, feelings, troubles, it is taking away and it's healing totally.
我的所有的情绪上的一些问题都完全被消失，然后被疗愈到。
I feel light and relaxed.
整个感觉很轻，放松。
Slowly this bluish white light is going to entire neck and shoulders.
然后慢慢这股白色的能量，这股白色的光来到我们整个颈部、肩膀。
And gently it is passing down towards your hands, arms and tip of your toes and tip of your fingers.
慢慢的，它向下传递到你的手臂、手腕、手指。
You can feel it, I know.
你可以感受到，我知道。
And gently it is also spreading towards your neck and head.
然后慢慢它也扩张到你的颈部、你的头部。
All the part of your body is filled with bluish white healing light.
现在整个身体都充满了这一股能量，这股光。
And now you feel complete balance of your all the 5 elements.
现在你感受你整个身体5大元素都被平衡。
Very slowly and gently
非常缓慢的
come back to your body awareness.
找回到自己的身体的意识，
Keep your eyes closed.
继续保持闭着眼睛，
You have balanced all the elements of your body.
你平衡了身体所有的元素。
Now slowly you are returning back to the yoga hall.
然后慢慢的回归我们这个瑜伽殿堂，
Back to your body awareness.
回到自己的身体。
Still your body feels that I still want to go for some more time, but it's okay.
如果你的身体依然感觉想要待更久一点，没关系。
Gently move your toes and hands.
慢慢的动一动你的脚趾、你的双手，
Release your mudra gently.
释放你的手印，
Feel the sensation between your fingers.
去感受你手指间的感觉，
Stretch yourself a bit.
拉伸一下你的身体，
Very slowly and gently.
非常轻柔，非常缓慢。
Turn towards one side,
然后转向一边，
towards right,
好向右边，
or towards left.
或者向左边，
Slowly taking your own time,
然后自己花时间，
coming back to sitting posture.
慢慢的坐起来，
Come back and keep your eyes closed and feel.
继续闭着眼睛，然后感受。
Gently rub your hands towards each other.
然后搓着你的双手，
Massage onto your own hand
一起按摩一下自己的双手，
because it heals and works with your 5 elements.
因为你刚刚疗愈了平衡你的身体5大元素。
And then massage onto your forehead, cheek,
按摩一下你的额头、你的脸颊，
very slowly
非常缓慢的、
and gently.
轻柔的，
Feel what's happening within you with closed eyes.
继续闭着眼睛去感受内在发生了什么，
Something interesting is happening.
有一些有趣的事情发生了。
Very slowly
非常慢，
open your eyes
睁开眼睛，
to the new world of balanced
到
chi.
面对这个平衡的新的世界，
You have balanced the 5 elements of your body
你已经平衡你身体内的5大元素，
and you feel fresh and relaxed.
你整个人觉得很鲜活，觉得很放松。
Even though it is the shortest of 9 minutes,
也许只是很短暂的距离9分钟，
but you still feel relaxed.
但你依然觉得很放松。
Could you?